Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to add icons in Figma. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now before we get started, if you're searching for a cutting-edge design and collaboration software, click the link in the description below to sign up and get started with Figma today. Now to be able to add or create icons in Figma, there are two methods. Inside Figma, let's create a frame over here. You will be able to use this feature, pen or pencil, which would in theory allow you to create designs or like temporary icons for when you're creating some drafts or frameworks. So you could use the drawing icon over here to allow you to visualize what type of icon you would need on a specific part. You could also utilize pen over here, which is also a very accurate tool that would allow you to create designs. Now for a much better addition of icon, you could utilize this platform called Flaticon, which would allow you to download free icons depending on the topic or depending on the specific icon that you have searched. For example, you would like to have a search icon on the design of your Figma. You can simply type on search over here and you will be able to see icons available for you to use. So simply select the one that you like, download the specific file, for example PNG, and simply go over here on your Figma, of course, and drag and drop it, and you will have your icon appearing on your design. And simply put it on the location that you want it to be, and you have a lot of freedom in this platform. You could search for literally any type of icon that you want. There's different types of icon, as you can see here: kitchen appliances, catering. There's vectors with colors and without colors, and so finding the specific icons that you need is completely up to you. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.